Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever this video finds you. I'm Laura Lee, and today's video is going to be a fun one. This week we are trying out an app that lets you wear a digital skin or digital clothing in real life, sort of. So this week we are trying out digital clothing from a startup called DressX. Let's get into it. So digital fashion is on the rise. London-based fashion brand Ouroboros by Paula Cello and Alyssa Albukova, I hope I'm saying all of those names right, make physical couture and digital ready-to-wear. This year, they debuted a 14-piece digital-only ready-to-wear collection called Biomimicry at London Fashion Week. Ouroboros was the first brand to present a digital-only collection at an international fashion week, and we are in luck because their designs are available to purchase online. You can buy them through their website, but today I'm gonna look at them through a fashion marketplace app called DressX. I think DressX's final goal is to have a lot of these items available as NFTs, and I have seen more and more of them showing up. But this initial offering just gives users a taste of what is to come with the technology. Right now, you can wear a digital item in a photo, you can own certain ones as NFTs, and in the future, you might be able to wear a digital blazer on a Zoom call or a full body skin in a TikTok video. Designers could even use this as a way to gift influencers clothes without actually having to send them out. There's definitely a sustainability element to that, and DressX talks about that a lot on their website. What is different here is, compared to filters on Snapchat or TikTok or Instagram, is that the designers are setting a precedent that these designs aren't free. This is likely as a deliberate move, as I'm sure designers want to be compensated for their designs, whether that's in NFT form or just as an outright purchase going forward in the future. So how does it work? Let's find out. Okay, so we're here on the DressX website. Let's have a look through the designs. So if we go over here, Nature Tech Couture. So I believe these are some of the ones from the Biomimicry collection. So there were supposed to be 14 looks in all. It looks like they have broken some of these pieces up into individual items. Like here's a skirt and a necklace and a top. So some of these you can see what it looks like on a model. Oh yeah, these are definitely the Biomimicry ones. Okay, so some of these are really cool. Let's have a look at this one. So this kind of looks like it's bioluminescent and has like little tendrils or tentacles on it, and yeah, just really cool. Like you could not actually wear something like this in real life with the materials that are available right now. We look at one with the model, like it looks like an avatar done this way. So cool, so many details, and it looks like there's even flowers like on her feet. Crazy. This look is more than $1,000 US, and that is just for a digital non-NFT version of this outfit. Sadly, I'm not ready to throw down $1,000 for a YouTube video on a digital dress or a real dress. For that matter, maybe one day, but not today. Going back to the collections, I want something that looks like it could be a real dress, but it's just crazy enough that it can't be real. So I'm gonna go through and try to narrow it down. That's super cool. Okay, I found this one. I think this is one I'm gonna go with. It's something that it could not be a real life dress, I don't think, but like maybe it could be, like with the right lighting. And then I'm gonna add this one to cart and then upload the photo. And this particular dress does not have an AR try-on option, but on the app there are a few that do. So while we're waiting for this dress to process, I'll do some of the AR try-ons just to show you how it works. The AR try-ons are a work in progress. The ones that worked the best used face tracking, whereas the ones that needed hand tracking had more glitches. It has a very Snapchat filter feel, which isn't surprising given that it is powered by Snapchat. The experience was far from perfect, but the technology is definitely getting closer to a seamless, intuitive experience. This blue dress was definitely my favorite out of all of the ones I tried on. The fact that it moves and is iridescent and see-through, I think really takes advantage of the medium. The static designs were definitely more convincing, but other than like the funky pattern on this sweater, they weren't nearly as interesting as the more dynamic ones. Okay, and this is the final result. Let me know what you guys think. DressX talks a lot about sustainability and kind of fighting fast fashion, and I think as the technology improves, this could definitely be a way to kind of combat that. While this is not everyone, I know that there's a lot of content creators out there that buy clothes just to take photos in or just to make videos, and then they never wear them again. This could be a way of reducing clothing waste by just having a digital version of that outfit, and then it's not taking up space in your closet. So I think it's very interesting technology. It's definitely early on and there's still a lot to work out, but just from what we've seen so far, I think it's really promising, and I can't wait to see all of the crazy designs that are going to come out of this, because even the ones we have right now, like that biomimicry collection was beautiful. It looked like something out of like Avatar meets Tron. And who doesn't want to wear a bioluminescent living tentacle flower jumpsuit? Like, that's awesome.